Hey, this is Chris Hill with the Manheim Digital Marketplace, and today we're talking about post-sale management. Now, post-sale management are all the different functions that you perform after the sale ends. Things like making a payment, putting a vehicle on a floor plan, acquiring purchase protection or post-sale inspection, printing a vehicle release or a gate pass, printing off a no sale if you had some vehicles in the sale today that didn't sell and you want to get a gate release for those. All these different functions are generally called post-sale management. So from the Manheim homepage, we click on post-sale management under the quick links. So from the top of the post-sale management homepage, you can see sort of a financial snapshot. Now for vehicles that you've purchased, you'll see what I owe Manheim. If you've sold some vehicles, you'll see on the sell side what Manheim owes me. Now all these are clickable. So if you want to click on one of these totals, if there's something you owe, you want to go ahead and make a payment, you can do that. If you want to see sort of that balance, if you've sold some vehicles, what Manheim owes you, you can click there as well. So let's pretend like we are going to make a payment. So I'll click on this total and up pops the vehicle that I owe for. So I'm going to come down here, click on the vehicle itself, and if this were a real account, not a demo account, I'd have a little make payment button. And from there I can click and indicate how I want to make that payment and process that. Now let's go back. Also from that main page of post-sale management, you can see if there's vehicles that qualify for floor plan. Let's say you use Nextgear and you want to apply those to your Nextgear account. You can do that right there. And then another important area is post-sale inspections and purchase protection. So purchase protection, there's some criteria per vehicles that you've acquired. So if they're eligible, they'll show up in the eligibility box, which you can click there and either order a 7, 14, or some version of a limited purchase protection. Also, if it's in progress, because once you've requested that post-sale inspection, a trained mechanic will take that vehicle and go inspect it. Well, sometimes you'll see that vehicle is in the middle of being in progress. And then if a vehicle is in arbitration, so a vehicle you've purchased is in arbitration, you'll see there here at the purchase from this little snapshot, and ready for buyer pickup. This is important because on all the vehicles that you're purchasing, all the vehicles that you're looking at and buying at manheim.com, you'll see a series of buttons at the bottom of them. And those would be very indicative of what's going on. So just like you saw on the previous screen, if you've got a post-sale inspection, it'll show you if it passed or it did not pass. When the vehicle is ready for pickup, there'll be a big button that says ready. That means you can click there and get that vehicle release. If the vehicle is not ready, it will not say ready. If you need transportation, from this page and from this screen and the vehicles you've purchased, you'll see a little button that says order. It means you can order transportation. So these are all the things that you'd want to do in post-sale management after the sale ends. So hopefully you can get in here, get all the status you need, see what's going on with your purchases, get them back to your dealership and get them sold quick.